To create the design, you can use the AI tool of your choosing. I prefer to use Gemini. And so we can just start with step one here. So my first prompt, I just asked for 15 ideas. If you use ChatGPT or Gemini a lot, it has an idea of what niches you're already interested in. And generally, it's going to come up with ideas in that. So I recommend doing this just to kind of start brainstorming. You'll see 15 ideas. Some of them are going to be terrible. Some of them are going to be good. But you want to get a couple ideas. And after seeing this, I realized, all right, for some reason, birding is on the rise. And you can confirm this by going to a new tab, going to trends.google.com, looking up birding, and let's see what it's doing in the past, honestly, just 2004 to present. I know it's rising. Yeah, there we go. You can see it's definitely on the rise. That's what you want for any kind of niche you're trying to sell to. Something that is becoming viral, that is getting a lot more popular. I don't know why birding is getting a lot more popular now, but it is. So I like that idea. The next prompt, I say, all right, great. Let's come up with 15 more ideas about birding. We've got 15 ideas. I came up with some myself, and now we're ready to start making our first design. So for the first design prompt, I'm gonna say, please make a design. I want it to be a 3:4 aspect ratio, and I give it some specs, and I say, this one's going to be birding just rips in your 30s, kind of like a viral meme people have been talking about. So going down, it comes out with one. I actually really like this one right here. But for some reason, a lot of these LLMs like to show it on a shirt. So all you have to do is say, please extract the design. I want only the design. It messed up, but I asked it again and it got it. So now we have our design. Now, you could do this multiple times, and I did this multiple other times for some other designs, some other ideas like a tarot card there. We've got like a kind of poster of like Spring Migration World Tour, just a bunch of different ideas I had.